Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Since the containers have been stopped, which are sailed last on 3rd of August, thereafter there is not. So all our exports cargo has been already held up, and now no other inbound vessel is expected to come. It has really helped us and put a bad mark on our commitments which have been made for all our exports. Now today we have just taken an initiative to collectively work on it. There are problems of MPT which is to be solved about the cranes. Emotionally, I would really like and plead all our Goan exporters. We have to use this MPT facility. It is facility for us.
Going so 1,300 kilometers of road travel, one container is doing for export from Goa. It is a totally polluting exercise. Whereas in Goa, we should be promoting more of green cargo. However, Goa has got a beautiful port. When we have a service in Goa, why should a container go by road to JNPT? One of the reasons the present vessel has stopped service is because there was no support from all these big pharma companies.
The export and import of the containers are roughly through three places. One is Mundra, second is JNPT, third is Cochin. That is the three Indian destinations. Some of them also do it through Colombo. Now, if you want to start a foreign vessel coming to India to go to Colombo, it is going to take time. It will not be worth. Now, current setup with MPT may not be strong enough to discharge the load and unload the ships for Dhinwana. That is the reason the ship owners are reluctant to come here. Now we are able to source a harbour mobile crane for this type of cargoes to be done in such a short time. Then whole problem can be sorted out. The ships owners will come themselves when they know that the business is there, they'll come together.